Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given the graph of function f and a table of values for function g, and we're told the maximum value of f is k, and then what is the value of g of k. So what is the maximum value of f? That's going to be its highest y value, and we're told that this is the complete graph, so from here to here, out of all of those values, what is the highest y value? Well, that's going to be right about here, right? Don't have to worry about where this actually falls in the x axis. We just have to find what is its y value, which is, we're told is 3. So for the maximum value of f is 3, and therefore k is 3. So what is the value of g of k? Well, that means we're looking for g of 3. And g of 3, if we look at this table, when x is 3, g of x is 6. So g of 3 is 6, which is g of k, and therefore your final answer is 6, or B. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.